Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me quickly show you how to set up your recording studio in Audacity and how to record your voice like I'm doing just right now. And to do that, first of all, we need to make some audio setup. Over here, just click this drop down menu and go to recording device, and over here choose your microphone. I have 3 microphones, so I just use for example this one. Select it, make sure it's selected. The second step is you can see this little microphone icon over here. This will be your recording status, recording meter. So just click over here and click enable silent monitoring. And now Audacity will monitor your microphone. As you can see, if I speak louder, it go to the red. So just use this recording level and reduce it, for example, over here. So you don't go to the red. You can go over here like this. And after this is fixed, you can just click over here, record. And now it will record your audio inside the track. After your audio is done, my recommendation, if you're recording voices, to select your voice, go to Effect, Volume and Compression, Compressor, and click Apply. This will even out your signal. And now go again, Effect, go to Fade, go to Volume and Compression, and go to Normalize. This will normalize your audio and remove some clipping from the recording. And practically this is it. This is how you record your voice in Audacity. I hope this quick and easy tutorial was easy and good for you. Thanks for watching. Drop some likes and comments below if you find this helpful. Nice day. Bye bye.